Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to go over fading in from black and adding a wipe style transition as quickly as we can here. So we'll just go back to previous version before I added in the transitions. And we'll go for the fade to black first. Let me just move this adjustment layer up a channel. Let's Shift A and add in a color. We want just our standard black because we're fading in from black. We'll just left click on the handle to decide the length of this transition. And then we're going to use a gamma cross style transition here to fade from black to the video. So we have to select the video, select the color, shift select the video, Shift A, add in a transition and choose a gamma cross transition. And that will give us this fade in from black. Okay, so it matters what order you select the clips. For the transition, we need some overlap. So I'm just going to move this third clip that I've got here on top of the second clip. I'm going to select both of those, Shift A, and we're going to add a wipe. So again, under transitions, add a wipe, and check this out. So that's a pretty snazzy single transition. Over here on the right hand side under the strip properties, we've got a few things we can play about with. So with the strip selected, we can change it from single to double. We can change it from double to iris. We can change it from iris to clock. Wait till you see this. And then each one has its own, depending on the type of transition, there are various settings you can play about with here. So you can change the blur for the clock, but with the single and the double, we also have an angle. So if you want to go full Star Wars, you can give it a 45-degree angle. Is that right? Yep. And then we can play about with the blur width, so we can give it a very tasteful blur across that edge, which is quite nice. Yeah, so there's lots of things you can do. Well, it's not limitless. The possibilities are limited, but there are some things that you can do there. So the same effect with the fading from black could be applied here to give the impression of time passing. Let me see if I can pull this off very quickly. We'll add in that color, strip again, just place it down on the channel above this clip. We're going to fade from the video to the clip this time. So we'll fade out to black, so the opposite of this one. So the video selected first, shift select the color, Shift A, and under transitions, it's a gamma cross for this fade out. You can see that clip's fading out. If we want to fade back in again, I could just duplicate this clip, I suppose. And then this time, we'll select the color and then the video, Shift A, gamma cross, and we should have a fade to black and then a fade from black. And that, through the magic of cinematography, indicates the passing of time. Okay, so very quick and easy. Two simple transitions, fades and wipes, various other settings that I'd like you to play with. There's various other transitions you could experiment with as well. But that's enough for now. Hope that was helpful.